trying to decide in a group of
Hey everyone, how we doing?
Hello, I'm good.
Hi, Femi. How are you?
I'm okay, Valerie. How has your day been?
Come up again.
Yeah, I said, how has your day been?
Oh, my day has been great actually. Though busy.
Oh, what's that?
GM everyone. Mr. Olah, if you can hear me. I don't know if anyone can hear me. Okay.
We can hear you.
Okay, I wanted to speak to the mentor. I don't know if you can hear me. I wanted to ask a question.
Yeah, I can hear you now. I left my laptop for a few moments.
Yeah. All right. So about the task yesterday.
Yeah.
So I downloaded the binary stuff. Right?
Okay.
Yes, I downloaded the folder, but how to install it, I don't know.
It didn't work.
I don't know how to install it. Like after downloading the folder, right? I have it in my device, but I don't know how to install it. I don't know how to install it. Is it on the terminal or where? I don't know.
Yeah. So you open the terminal to that folder. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Yeah. Then you
All
know the
right.
command to use, right? You know the command you're supposed to use?
Yes,
Make
it's
it
on that
executable.
fast track, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm coming. Let me be sure, please.
So
Sorry,
yeah,
sorry.
yeah, you.
Yeah, the command to use to install it is rust up component add rust src.
No. The command you use to make your this thing executable. Let me open. I want to open the doc, right? So that you see.
Okay. And one more question. So I'm using Linux. I don't know which of the Linux I'm to use. Is it the ARM64 or just the other one?
I'm not sure
There's
either.
Inknode.
Yeah, I'm not sure
Okay.
either, but you can start
Anyway, okay, I should start with the ARM64, right?
yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I downloaded both of them, so I'll try both of them. Thanks.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for the command for the executable.
This is what you use to make your node executable.
Okay. This guy. Okay. All right. Noted.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah, Quinta. Quinta, you want to say something? I can't hear you. You are speaking.
She has left the meeting. I think it's her network.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Femi.
Hey.
Yeah, do you today have someone who will help you to admit the guests so that we avoid the context switching during your presentation?
Okay, so I don't know who would help me now. Let me contact someone and see if he's going to join.
All right.
Yeah. We should be able to start in the next, say, 3 minutes or less.
Hi, Femi. Can you now hear me? Hi.
Sorry. Yes, I can hear you now. I thought I was unmuted.
Okay, I just started to help I don't know his name. Like he was asking if which kind of node is supposed to download. I don't know if you can show just on your screen that node, because there's two nodes. Both of them work for Linux. I think I can help you. Can you just open where there's those nodes? Because I don't know the exact name, but there's a node with a ink node Linux tr dot jz. The one with the shorter name is the node that I think worked for me. Another thing, Femi, I realized when I was extracting, that one, the ink node Linux, the one with the shorter, not with the 64, but the one with the 61.4 MB. That one will work so well with the Linux. Again, what I realized when I was trying to extract it directly on a folder, then trying to make ink node Linux to be executable, it was giving me a lot of issues, and it couldn't make it executable. But when I extract it using my terminal, it worked so well. So I don't know whether anyone experienced that or it's only me on my side. So I was asking, which one do I settle for?
I'm sorry, Quinta. I was trying to do something here, so I got distracted. You said you were trying to extract something.
See, after downloading the node,
Yeah.
I'm supposed to extract the folder.
Yes.
Then make ink node to be executable.
Yes. Yes.
So when I tried to extract it directly on a folder, at first it didn't work.
Okay.
Then again, I extracted in my terminal.
Okay.
After extracting on my terminal, it worked. And also another command that I used to run it, like it was .ink node minus depth. I think I can just write on my command. Like, let me just write on the comment, please, Joseph. So I was wondering, why is it when I try to extract it directly on my folder, and I try to make the ink node to be executable, it wasn't working on my side. So I don't know why it was happening. So I don't know which one to follow. So I don't know. Actually, if you can assist, or if you've never experienced that.
Okay, I have not experienced that actually. So I'm not sure why that is. You extracted regularly, it didn't work, but you extracted where behavior. Yes, honest. All right, welcome everyone. So as we start, I just want to say quickly that in terms of people looking for support, right? I know some people ask about creating WhatsApp groups and all that. If you're looking for support, join our Discord. Look at Africa Discord. And sorry, why is my network so slow? It's probably Discord. Yeah, sorry. I didn't even realize that's my people who see me. All right. So you join our Discord, right? And you can, ask questions here in the developer chats or something. Let me share an invite link. So you can ask questions in the developer chats on Discord. Pin it. Welcome, Bolaji. Bolaji is one of our tutors.
Thank you very much, Femi. Hi, guys.
Okay, so
Hello.
today yeah, so they are saying hi to you, Roger. Today we are going to do we are going to focus on deploying on a live chain. Right. And I have my slides here. So I added a new slide to it. Right. Get your testnet tokens. How to get your testnet tokens. That's one thing we need to discuss. All right. So we're going to be deploying on pass setup. Pass setup is a testnet, is a relay chain on the Passio testnet, and it has. Excuse. Let me start recording. Okay, so already recording. So we're going to deploy on pass setup. Pass setup is a relay chain on the Passio testnet, and it has like it is specifically designed to run. It's designed to run contracts that are compatible with Poker VM. So some of the things we are going to do today, we are going to get our token. We are going to get our testnet token, and also we are going to run. We're going to deploy our contracts on pass setup. Okay. So I'm just getting that link for pass setup now. So in the meantime, does anybody have questions about things they found difficult to do during?
Oh, hi, Femi.
Hello.
So I was facing an error
Okay.
while trying to interact with my, or I don't know whether I'm facing the right method. So I don't know if I maybe share my screen.
Yeah, sure. You can share your screen.
Okay.
Are you having difficulty sharing your screen? Do I have to stop presenting first?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. So I was trying to implement these steps to interact with my smart contract, the one we just deployed over here, right? So you can see it's running, and I just did everything right here. But now when I come over here and I followed the steps, I imported everything, and now the issue is over this last part here where it shows skewed. Then when I try to upload, I get an error here. So from the docs, I can see how is it? Here, over here, this is the last step. But I don't know why for my case it's bringing an error.
Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't see the error you got.
let me show. So well, here the final step is to upload and instantiate the contract that you can interact with it. So I don't know why. Have you seen the error?
Yeah, I did. I saw it. I also got that error yesterday, and I relayed it to the Inc. core devs. And well, first off, I noticed that you are on Inc. D5.
It doesn't. Okay, there's no difference even when I put it into the V6. I was trying to test out all scenarios, and nothing changed. Same error.
All right, Alan, give me a minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. I was just speaking with the person that was supposed to help me manage entry. Although I think I adjusted the setting because I noticed that I've not had to accept anybody. I adjusted the setting so anybody can actually join. All right, yeah. So for that problem, this is what we're going to do. We are going to try using another, what's it called now? I used another another UI yesterday. So as I was saying, I relayed that problem to the Inc. devs. One of the guys there said he tried it and he didn't experience the issue. So I don't know why that is. But using this UI I'm going to share now, you will notice I think that same UI is even it's also in the doc, right? But let me share it. Okay, so I've got it. So Alan, you can try this UI that I just shared. And please make sure you are on Inc. V6. Right. Okay. So I'll ask a question. Yeah, what kind of subset capacity can handle Polkadot node? System out of scope. That's an interesting error. That's system out of scope error. Does it mean your system cannot deploy or cannot handle the stuff? So I don't know, but I was reading through. I was trying to get. Now Rust. Any specification that can handle Rust should be able to handle anything Polkadot, right? But you know that not all systems can handle Rust, right? I was doing I think I've closed the tab. So all you need to do is have a system that can handle Rust, and you'll be good to go. Okay, it started to hang. Right, so there are some system specs that can handle Rust. For example, now my system is a 16 gig RAM, right? And yeah, and is your system 16 gig RAM? No.
Yeah, my system is 16 gig RAM.
Okay. So maybe 16 gig RAM, then you will ensure that maybe you are not running many programs, especially Chrome and VS Code. Those things they all RAM a lot, right? So maybe only one Chrome. Yeah, I guess it was trying to run Ink node. So it does to deploy locally. So, but of course, you don't have to deploy locally, right? You can as well deploy on the UI to interact, right? But But yeah, a 16 gig RAM system should be able to work. Another issue is space. You should have at least 30 gig of space. And your processor should be, I mean, if you have a 16 gig RAM that came with your system, then your processor should be good enough, except you upgraded your RAM. Okay, so does anyone have another question before we move forward today? Let's address all our issues. All right, let's just move forward. In case we have another question, we'll circle back. So, question is, how do I deploy my contracts per setup? Right. So one thing I want to do is, actually what I want to do now is, I want someone else to share their screen. Reason being, how do I do this? Okay, let me use another account, because there's a reason why I want to use another account, because I already mapped my accounts. There's something called mapping that I wish I could describe to people. So let me just show you what mapping is about, first of all. So let's start a new contract. Right. Cargo contract new Flipper. Right. So we created Flipper. Split Flipper. Add. Yeah, we have our Flipper here. So it's not contracts, it's contracts. Yeah. That's on my face. So it's not contracts, it's contracts. Similar name as this contracts. What's going on here? Okay, so it's trying to build, I think. Oh my, it didn't take too long.
Hi, Femi.
Yeah.
Sorry, but today I'm going to disturb you. I have this new era with your new UI.
Oh, good. So now I don't have to do what I want to do. So
Okay.
this is a very interesting error. Very interesting. Now, this error is because we're using Palette Revive, right? And you know, Palette Revive is made to be compatible with Solidity, right? So the account type needs to be basically changed, right? So your Polkadot account type needs to be mapped to a Solidity type account or address, right? So these are the steps to do that. So please, can you visit this link I'm about to share with you and then share your screen?
Okay.
Now, the reason why I didn't get this error while I was doing mine is because, you know, I initially instantiated mine using the cargo contracts in the CLI, right? So when you use cargo contracts, it automatically maps your account for you, right? So by the time I uploaded to the UI, I didn't need to map it again because it had already mapped it to my local node, right? And the local node instance was still running. I didn't need to do that again. Do you have a Polkadot wallet?
Come again?
Hold on. Do you have a Polkadot wallet?
Polkadot, the Polkadot JS.
Okay, yeah, that will work.
Okay.
Okay, do you even need it? I don't think you need it now. Why is it why is it taking so long to open? Is it the network or this website? Okay, while you are still trying to open that,
Okay.
is it the network or the website?
Yeah, the cache.
For Polkadot wallets, just do something like sub wallets. I recommend sub wallets personally. Sub wallets. Let me put the website. That's for extension. I don't use their mobile wallets. I don't know how good it is, but the extension is really good. Yeah. So Daniel Joseph is asking, what's a native Polkadot wallet? Do you mean examples of wallets that are native to Polkadot? This is one of them, sub wallets. There is Talisman wallet also, and then there is Polkadot JS. Okay, which one will happen first? Is it my compiling or Alan's site opening? Okay, I can't see Alan's window anymore. So while
Check my network.
all right, no problem. So no problem. We can move on. I need this thing to compile though. Why did I delete my cheaper not contracts? So what do you do if you want to deploy your stuff on a live chain, right? You don't want to deploy on local node, or you want to deploy on something like Pass-Setup. What do you do? Right. First of all, you need a Polkadot wallet. You need a Polkadot wallet. I have some Polkadot wallets here. I have sub wallet actually, the only Polkadot wallet I have. Apart from Polkadot JS, of course. I think I'm actually using Polkadot JS. The small money I have. All man like me. I'm actually using Polkadot wallet JS, right? And my Polkadot JS is connected. Like where it's connected to this Polkadot.js website, right? And secondly, you need to go to the Polkadot faucets, right? I'll send a link to that also. Now I'll go to our slides. All right, you need to go to the Polkadot faucets. Ensure the right network is selected. This is the faucets. And then what do you do on the faucets? You get your tokens. It's quite straightforward. You put your wallet address here. This is my developer wallet. Is it there? And you get your tokens. So if you look at my wallets here, I look at my accounts and my wallets. This is my wallets. I have this amount of tokens in it. 4,199 tokens. 4,999 tokens in it. This is it. This is the wallet I'm using. I have two wallets connected to this. But this is the development wallet. I already have this number of tokens. All right, so when I have my tokens already, I come here. I already deployed this one. say I want to add a new contract. Yeah, way. And then it's quite simple and straightforward. I do what? I upload my contracts, right? Using upload new contract code, right? I select the wallets that has tokens because we will need tokens to deploy, right? Since it's a live network, I give my wallet a name like $. I upload the files. Unfortunately, I already deleted the file. Let me even see if you can upload something contract code. The contract address. Okay. I can actually use an unchained contract address. So I upload the file, but I'm still compiling my file. So, right, I upload the file and I follow the steps we followed the last time. Okay. So, but Alan was having an error just like this, accounts unmapped, right? And I explained earlier that the reason why you're having this error is because we are trying to, map things to Solidity. So we're having to, take our Polkadot address and make it look like a Solidity address. So there needs to be some mapping that will go on under the hood. Right. So how do you do this mapping? You have to do it manually. Now, if you are using cargo contracts, like I explained, it should do this automatically in the background. But because you can't use cargo contracts to deploy to a live network, you can actually, but because we are not using it, we ensure first of all that we select the network that we need. Let me explain something to you now. Imagine when I opened this up, I was on local node. So this UI is a bit weird, I would say, because I don't know. Before I interacted with this UI and even the contracts UI, I've never really experienced UIs that look like this. So you switch, right? So this is me connected to my local node. Well, because I'm not running a local node now, it's not going to work, right? So let me even run a local node. So what I'm trying to explain now is you can connect your contract UI to your local node.
I don't know, but on my end, it's taking forever to initialize that section.
Wow. It's taking forever for this to open up. Alan?
It has opened up, but it's taking forever to initialize that connection. Or how do you initialize the connection?
Okay, I think your local node is not working. It's probably trying to connect directly to the local node. So you need to start up is your local node working currently like this?
Yeah, it's working. From the terminal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just started it up. All right, so like this now, I'm on the local node, but I don't want to deploy. I want to map my accounts, right, to Asset Hub, right, because that's where I want to deploy on. Right, so I'll go to testnets, Passio, and parachains. Remember, Asset Hub is a testnet, is a parachain on the Passio testnets. So I go to Asset Hub contracts, then I switch. All right, so here we have it. This is my development address, right? I got some tokens from the faucet, not just now, I got it earlier. And that's my development address. So now I want to I will come to this developer tab, I'll go to extrinsics, right? I'll select the right account, which is this account. I'll change this to revive, right? And the call I want to make is map account, right? Then I submit transaction, sign and submit. So my wallet is popping up now. That shows you that I'm actually interacting with an actual account, right? Not my local node, not with Alice. I'll sign the transaction. I'll just say she is successful. I'll just this work. Okay, it says account already mapped. Yeah, that's because I already mapped my own accounts, right? Development account, I mapped it, right? So if I change it to my development accounts now, you see that I'm not having that error anymore, right? Let me try to map, sorry, person that is, let me try to map my live accounts. Okay, I don't have balance on my live account, so I can do that. But those are the steps to mapping your accounts. This was a question. Someone raised I think. All right. So,
Yeah,
yeah, tell me.
I wanted to ask that the mapping, how is you have to make an actual call on chain, right, to do the mapping. Hello.
Sorry. Yes, if you are doing it on a live chain, you have to make an actual call on chain.
So where is it stored? Is there like a central registry, or each node needs to store the mapping, or how does it work?
I'm not sure I really understand your question. Is there a central registry that each node needs to where each node stores the mapping? Okay,
No,
I
I'm asking,
understand
like,
you.
how does it
Tell me, are you a
work?
blockchain?
Is the map, is it like each node stores? Okay.
A mapping of like
Yes, sir.
the substrate address to like a solidity like address, right? Whether each node stores the mapping. So I don't know how it works under the hood, but what you just said sounds like a way it will work. Okay. So I think my contract would have. So guys, does anybody have a question about what we've done so far?
I mean, yes, I have a question, but I just have a concern. Like, I'm just following what you're doing. If you can just explain it, yeah, again, please.
Okay, no problem. I'll be able to explain it again. Right, so yeah, Alan.
Yeah, I'm back now.
All right, awesome.
What
So
next after
the local
here?
node is running. The local node is running.
Yeah, it's yeah.
It's running.
Yep.
All right, that's good. So please, can you go back to your browser? Yeah, can you click on, you see that drop down at the top where Polkadot is at the extreme left? Yeah, can you click on it? So can you go down, or before you go down, can you, okay, never mind. Let's go down, don't mind me. So can you select, you see that development is at the extreme end down, the lowest option. You can close this, you are connected to development instance of the UI so that you can see it properly. Yeah, so can you select developments down there? Like just click on it, it should open. Click on anything there. Yeah, can you select local node? All right, it's selected now. Can you switch up there? There's a switch icon. All right, great. Now, this is your network, right? It's showing you the most recent block and all that. So go to the developer tab. Yeah, select extrinsics. Okay. Yeah, you can leave there. Click on that. Click on using selected accounts. Click on it. The using selected account, yeah, where there's space, just click on it. Yeah, select Alice. No, can you come down? Not the extension on the Alice in development. Yeah. All right. So click on submit the following extrinsic. Extrinsics are basically like transactions, right? So click on revive. All right. So come to the side, click on the call text. That text called call, yeah, call into bracket desks, just beside revive.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And then
click on
the
map.
map account.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then at the extreme right, you click on submit transaction. Extreme right, yeah. Yeah, then you sign and submit. All right, so the accounts will be mapped now. Can you go back to the UI?
Where exactly?
Contracts UI. The tab you have opened in your browser, the other tab you have opened in your browser, yeah.
Over
Okay.
here.
Yeah, so try to upload your contract again. I can see Flipper.contracts there.
Yeah.
All right. So you should not have the error anymore. Yeah, it says the instantiation will be successful. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So Quinta, does that help?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So I think what we can do is, now that Alan has been able to do this, Alan, I think you are the one that would help us deploy on Passet Up. I think that was quite, so, or maybe we should, okay, since you already have your stuff open, because if they say we should engage someone else, it might take time. So can you help us deploy on Passet Up?
Yeah, we can try, but you can guide me.
All right, yeah, of course, yeah. So please visit the faucets and get some Passet Up tokens. I have the faucets. It's the last message in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, so change your chain to Passet Up. All right, so input your address. Okay, you have to do that.
So I just take my address.
Yeah.
The Alice one.
Not the Alice one. Your actual, you have a wallet address, right? You have a wallet address on this browser.
Wait, which wallet address are you referring to?
Like a Polkadot. You have a Polkadot wallet. Let's start from there. You have a Polkadot wallet on this browser.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you open your Polkadot wallet? Let's create a. Do you have okay? That's this Alice, right?
Yeah.
You can use the Alice. That's what you use for development, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can copy the address and use it. No, this is asset hub. So asset hub is different from passet hub. Can you change asset? Can you change it to passet? P. You should start from P. The chain, not the network. The chain. Yeah.
Passet
Yeah.
hub.
Okay.
That one.
Yeah. So you can put in. You can paste your address there. Verify yourself and get some passes. All right.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So now